Looking for the best Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosures of 2025? Whether you need blazing fast speeds, rugged durability, or top-tier compatibility, we've got you covered. In today's countdown, we'll unveil the top 5 best SSD enclosures that deliver next-level performance for professionals and power users alike. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Cable Matters 40 gigabits per second foldable USB 4M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, a powerhouse in compact form. This Thunderbolt 5 compatible enclosure delivers blazing fast speeds up to 3,800 megabytes per second read and 3,600 megabytes per second write, ensuring ultra-responsive performance for gaming, video editing, and large file transfers. Its active cooling system prevents thermal throttling, keeping your SSD at optimal performance even under heavy loads. Plus, the tool-free, foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for quick SSD swaps, perfect for professionals on the go. With Thunderbolt 4.5 and USB 4 support, this enclosure guarantees wide compatibility with modern devices. Whether you need next-level storage expansion or lightning-fast backups, the Cable Matters enclosure won't disappoint. Looking for performance, portability, and reliability? This one's got it all. Stay tuned as we reveal even more power-packed SSD enclosures ahead. And remember, check the links in the description for the best deals. Stepping up the game at number 4, we have the ANYOYO TB5 80 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, designed for those who demand insane speed and top-tier performance. With Thunderbolt 5 support, this beast pushes data transfer speeds to the extreme, ensuring lightning-fast file transfers, high-resolution video editing, and seamless gaming. What makes it stand out? Intelligent temperature control with active fan cooling. Unlike standard enclosures, the built-in cooling system automatically adjusts based on workload, preventing overheating and maximizing SSD lifespan. Plus, it supports up to 8 terabytes of storage, making it ideal for professionals handling massive files. Compatibility won't be an issue, as it works with Thunderbolt 3, 4, 5, and USB 4, plus backward compatibility with USB 3.2, 3.1, and 3.0. So no worries about device limitations. If you need ultra-fast storage with pro-level cooling and seamless connectivity, the ANYOYO TB5 is a serious contender. Stay tuned. Things are only getting faster from here. At number 3, we have the OWC Express 1M2, a lightweight yet ultra-powerful SSD enclosure built for speed, efficiency, and durability. Designed with Thunderbolt and USB 4 support, this enclosure maximizes performance, making it perfect for content creators, gamers, and professionals who need rapid data transfers. The standout feature? Its aluminum heat sink enclosure. Unlike plastic designs, this ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping your SSD cool even under heavy workloads. With ultra-fast NVMe support, you can experience lightning-quick file transfers, seamless 4K video editing, and smooth gaming loads without lag. Another huge plus is its bus power design. No external power supply needed. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. The sleek, compact build makes it easy to carry, ideal for on-the-go professionals who need performance without bulk. Looking for pro-grade speed, durability, and portability? The OWC Express 1M2 delivers. Stay tuned as we count down to our top pick, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. At number 2, we have the LaCie Rugged SSD Pro 4 TB, an absolute beast when it comes to durability and high-speed storage. Designed for creatives, professionals, and adventurers, this SSD enclosure is built to withstand the toughest conditions while delivering blazing fast performance. With Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C compatibility, this drive ensures ultra-fast transfer speeds, perfect for handling large video files, high-resolution images, and demanding applications. The NVMe SSD technology inside delivers up to 2,800 megabytes per second, making it a must-have for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators who work with 4K and 8K footage. But what truly sets this SSD apart is its rugged design. It's drop-resistant, shockproof, and water-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor and travel use. Plus, with LaCie's data rescue service, your files stay safe even in unexpected situations. If you need a high-speed, ultra-durable SSD for extreme environments, the LaCie Rugged SSD Pro 4TB is your go-to choice. Stay tuned as we reveal the #1 best Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosure. Taking the #1 spot on our list is the SABRENT Rocket XTRM Plus 2 TB, a powerhouse of speed, reliability, and portability. If you're looking for next-level performance with Thunderbolt 3 compatibility, this SSD enclosure delivers insane speeds up to 2,700 megabytes per second, making it perfect for 4K video editing, high-resolution content creation, and demanding workloads. Crafted with a rugged aluminum design, the Rocket XTRM Plus is built for durability and efficient heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance even under heavy use. With bus-powered technology, you won't need extra power adapters. Just plug and play for instant high-speed storage. What makes this SSD enclosure stand out is its universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and even USB 3.2, making it a versatile choice for professionals who need flexibility across multiple devices. If you want a premium, high-speed SSD enclosure with rock-solid reliability, the SABRENT Rocket XTRM Plus 2 TB is the ultimate pick. That wraps up our top 5 best Thunderbolt 5 SSD enclosures of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals. See you in the next video.